Good morning, students. Now, today we'll continue with the chapter Quadratic Equations. Before the unit test, I suppose, of course, after that also we've had one class. I have already posted few questions for symmetric roots. Now, here in this chapter, now we are left with formation of equations. So, this is the topic which is to be covered in this presentation. I am going to cover this. Now children, you have already learnt symmetric roots. If two roots are alpha and beta, that is called symmetric roots. Then different type of relations and how to get the relations and get the values of symmetric roots with the help of equation we have already done. In those cases we had used lots of algebra. Now in this topic just the reverse procedure is to be done. You are given roots and you are required to frame the equation or form the equation. Obviously the method or the formula for framing equation is given by x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product. Now I have taken few questions for you. Now this is question number 17th. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0, then you have to frame an equation whose roots are alpha upon beta and beta upon alpha. Now what you will do here children is, first and foremost, obviously you know, if equation is given to you, you can always write two relations, that is sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So sum of the roots here will be alpha plus beta, because alpha beta are the roots of this equation already mentioned in the question. Hence it is equals to minus b by a, that is equals to minus 2. And product of the roots alpha beta is equals to c upon a, that will be equal to 3. Now you know the value of alpha plus beta as well as alpha beta. Now making use of these two relations, we will try to find out the sum of the roots for the equation which is not known to you, but we know the roots. So sum of the roots will be alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, because roots are these. Now try to simplify this expression. Taking denominator alpha beta, you will be getting alpha square plus beta square, and alpha square plus beta square from symmetric roots or from algebra you can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. You know the formula, so there is nothing new to explain you. And now everything is put in the form of alpha plus beta or alpha beta. So substitute the values here and get the final answer of sum of the roots, which is coming equal to minus 2 upon 3. Now product of the roots will be, if you multiply alpha into beta and alpha into beta here also, that is, it is automatically becoming 1. So you don't have to do anything because already it is becoming 1. Now according to our formula, required equation is x square minus sum into x plus product. So what is x square? Minus of minus sum. So sum is minus 2 by 3. So you can write it here. Plus product is 1. So finally, if you simplify this equation, it is becoming 3x square plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So this is the final answer. So that is how you are going to do different type of questions involved in these exercise, where you have to form the equation using roots. I hope the steps are clear to you and the concept is also clear to you. Now we will do few more questions so that you grasp all the technical aspects of these type of questions and gain confidence to tackle any type of problem in the examination.